Hello and welcome to Scrum Nuggets in 5 minutes. Today I will be dissecting the difference between Agile and Scrum. You may have heard these terms thrown around a lot in project management, but what exactly do they mean? What is Agile? Now, Agile is a mindset. It's a way of thinking about work. It was developed to help the team become more flexible, adaptable, and able to respond to change. Originally, it was designed for software development, but Agile is now used in all kinds of industries. At its core, Agile emphasizes collaboration, feedback, and the ability to pivot quickly if needed. Now think of Agile as the philosophy or the umbrella under which different methodologies or framework live. It's a set of principles found in the Agile Manifesto, which values individuals and interactions, working software or products, customer collaboration, and responding to change. So, if your team is agile, it means you prioritize these values and you organize your work in a way that's flexible and responsive to customers' need. Now, where does Scrum come in? Scrum is one of the frameworks you can use to implement Agile. It is like a tool, a structure that helps you to work in an agile way. While Agile is a mindset, Scrum is a specific method for putting this mindset into action. So, Scrum breaks down work into smaller, manageable chunks called sprints, and these sprints are typically 1 to 4 weeks long. And at the end of each sprint, the team delivers something of value, a working feature or a product increment. The goal here is to continuously improve, getting feedback at the end of each sprint and adjusting as necessary. In Scrum, there are specific roles, events, and artifacts. For the roles, you have the Scrum Master, the Product Owner, and the Development Team. For the events, you have daily stand-ups, sprint planning, sprint review, and retrospective. For the artifacts, you have the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and increments, all of which help the team stay organized and focused on continuous improvement. So what is the key difference between Agile and Scrum? Now here is the key difference. Agile is the philosophy or mindset, and Scrum is a framework that helps you practice that mindset. Agile gives you a broad principle. The Scrum gives you step-by-step guidelines. Now to put it in another way, Agile is the why, and Scrum is one of the hows. Agile is the why, and Scrum is one of the hows. Because Agile can be implemented in many ways, not just through Scrum. For example, there are other Agile frameworks like Kanban or Lean, which follow Agile principles but have different structures and processes. Scrum is just one of the many ways to bring Agile to life. Now, when would you use Scrum over just saying you're Agile? Scrum works best when your project has a lot of uncertainties or changes frequently, when you need to deliver value quickly and get feedback to guide your next steps. It's great for complex projects where customers' needs are evolving, like the software development or product design. So if you're working in an environment that values flexibility and collaboration, but you don't need the specific structure of Scrum, you might just go with the Agile principles. For instance, Kanban is another framework that focuses more on visualizing the flow of work without breaking it into sprints. To wrap it all up, Agile is a mindset that values flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback. Scrum is a specific framework within Agile with defined roles, practices to help the team work in an agile way. Without doubt, I'm sure you now have a clear understanding of both concepts and why they are often mentioned together. If you're thinking about how to manage your project, understanding the difference between Agile and Scrum can help you choose the right approach for your team. And so, thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers.